So this is the video clips about group quiz number 1 answers. So number 1, the sum of two even consecutive numbers is 74. Find two numbers. So in order to solve this question, you need to understand what consecutive number means. Normally, consecutive number means like 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. But this time, I'm asking even consecutive number here, which means it become 2, 4, 6, 8, something like that, right? Therefore, if we set up this as x, then how many more 4 is compared to 2? Yes, it is 2 more, right? So 4 we can set up x plus 2 basically. So one is the x, the other one become x plus 2. Then next this number will be x plus 4, and this become x plus 6, and so on. Now the question asks, two even consecutive number is 74. Therefore, you can set up x plus 2 equal to 74. Now, they open the parentheses, then become x plus 2 equal 74, which means 2x plus 2 equal to 74. Now minus 2, then 2x equal to 72 divided by 2, then x equal to 36. Since we got x equal 36, the other one, x plus 2 equal to 38. Therefore, number 1 answer is 36 and 38. Now, number 2. Bianca invested a total of $12,000 into two different mutual funds. One account has 6% interest rate and the other has 3% interest rate. After 1 year, she earned a total of $660 interest. How much did Bianca invest into each account? So whenever you see investing problem, you need to find out there are two information is always given. First is amount. So as you see, the total is 12,000. The how many account? Two different mutual fund account here. Because we don't know what kind of mutual fund are, so we just set up X and Y. Therefore, the first equation you can set up X plus Y equal to 12,000. Okay, next one. It will show that one account has 6% interest rate, the other one 3%. And then she earned total interest $660 after a year, right? So now you have to make this equation 6% of x plus 3% of y equal to, how much was it? $660. But here the percent is not a real number, so you need to rewrite that using decimal. So become 0.06x plus 0.03y equal to 660. So now we can generate two equations. One is x plus y equal to $12,000. The other one 0.06x plus 0.03y equal to 660. There are various ways to solve this question, but this time I'm gonna use the substitution method. So from this equation, I can make y equal to 12,000 minus x, right? So I can plug this into y here. Then the equation become 0.06x plus 0.03 times 12,000 minus x equal to 660. If you feel comfortable to calculate using the decimal, that's best way to do it. However, if you don't feel comfortable, we better switch to integer value. As you see, they're all 100 digits here. Therefore, I'm going to multiply 100 for each term. But please be careful, you do not touch this one because they're in the parentheses and then multiplying by 0.03. So they are one term. So in single term, you multiply only one time, not every single numbers. Okay? So after multiply 100, then it's become 6x plus 3 times 12,000 minus x equal to 66,000. Finally, you distribute, then 6x plus 36,000 minus 3x equal to 66,000. Now minus 36,000. And then combine these two right terms, then 3x equal to 30,000. So divide by 3, then x becomes 10,000, which means y must be 12,000 minus 10,000, therefore 2,000. So conclusion, Bianca invested 10,000 into, so $10,000 into 6% account and 2,000 into 3% account. Now, number 3. Find the solution of given equation. So this is one of the absolute value equation. So as you see, absolute value is only one side, which means you can centering on this absolute value and then make one is positive, the other one is negative. Okay? Therefore, 3x minus 2 equal to x minus 6, or 3x minus 2 equal to negative x minus 6. Okay, let me double check the equation. Yeah. And solve these two different equations, then you can find the answer. So I'm gonna just subtract x plus 2, then 2x equal to negative 4, so x equal negative 2, or now 3x minus 2 equal negative x plus 6, and combine x, combine 2, then 4x equal to 8, so x equals 2. Therefore, answer become negative 2 or 2 this case. Now, look at 3b. So, the last time in the classroom, we talked about that any absolute value cannot be negative here. But look this carefully. It has the negative time absolute 7x plus 1. As a result, this value must be negative value here. However, this value cannot be negative, right? Because this is absolute value here. So, B case, no answer. So for number 4, it will be continue on second video.